Alright guys, this is another video. Listen, if you can hear that bird, he's trying to get into the nest right here. I got the nest right on the porch. It goes in there. Got his eggs in there. So I'm gonna move away and let him come in his nest. I'm gonna let you guys see him come into the nest. Stay tuned. That's the bird right there, waiting for me to move. The bird is right over here, making all that noise. Yeah, you see him flying. He's waiting to go back. Right there in my pot. The nest is there with eggs, and I had to interrupt the bird because I had to water the plants. So by me watering it, it's not really gonna bother him. It's just that they don't want people around. So I'm gonna sit here and wait for him to go back to the nest. Just went back in the hole. So that bird's gonna be sitting there. It got eggs in there. There it is. There it is. I love nature. That's on my porch / veranda. Okay, just went in to make sure the eggs are okay. We'll probably went to get some food, and I guarantee it'll be back. And I'm not gonna really sit here until it gets. Oh, hold on, folks. Hold on, folks. It didn't go too far. It didn't go too far. There it is. There it is. You hear all these birds around me? I love nature. I love birds. I'm not gonna sit here and wait for it. Probably went to get some food. So catch you guys next time. This is just a little short, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Appreciate it. Thank you.